Good morning everybody and welcome to Monday's Maths. Now, whenever I do maths I try and get practical and I would like you to do the same today. I'm going to give you a little minute to go and find the things that we need for today's lesson. So today you need 20 objects. You need 10 of one kind of object and 10 of another kind of object. It would be helpful if they're kind of similar sized, but they don't have to be exact. I've got in one bowl, if you can see that, I've got 10 pieces of pasta, and in my other bowl I've got 10 sweets. You can tell Maisie doesn't like the yellow ones because I've got a full bowl of yellow ones. So in one bowl I've got 10 sweets and in the other bowl I've got 10 pieces of pasta. So I'm going to give you a minute to go and find some things to get practical with, and I'll see you back here, okay? Okay, so hopefully you've had time to go and get some objects. Now it's our last week of maths in school this week because we've already got lots of nice things planned for the final week. So this week we are going to go over a few bits that some of us have found a bit tricky and do a couple of new bits, but you might have done something similar to this before, but my hope is that the activity that you follow up with will be a bit of a challenge. Today we are going to look at doubling numbers. We are looking at doubling numbers. It's something that we touched upon during the major lockdown. We haven't revisited it in school yet, so we're a bit like that with it. But we are doubling numbers. Now I'm going to start today by doubling some numbers, and I'm going to get one of my sweets. Hopefully you can see it. Where's best? There. I'm going to get one of my sweets. If I doubled the number of items on my stool, it would mean I match it with the same thing. So I've got one. If I double one, it means I put another one out. You can see now the answer. Double one altogether makes 2. Double one is 2. Can you say that with me? Double one is 2. Now, if I started with 2 objects on my chair, if I started with 2, and then I had to double it, I would put the same number on again, wouldn't I? So I'd have to have 1 to match that one and 1 to match that one. You can see we started with 2, but now we've doubled the number. And how many is there now? It's 4, because double 2 is 4. Double 2 is 4. Can you say that for me? Double 2 is 4. Well done. Let's do it again. This time, I'm going to start with 3. I'm going to start with 3. 1, 2, 3. And you know by now, if I'm going to double 3, how many more do I need to put on? I need to put 3 on, because when we double a number, that means we're just putting the same number with it again. So double 3 is 3 and 3. Double 5 is 5 and 5. Double 100 is 100 and 100. But let's just double this 3. So I've got 3 sweets there. I'm going to double it with my pasta. I've just chosen the pasta so you can see a difference. I had 3 items. I doubled the number I have, and now I've got 6. Double 3 is 6. Can you say that for me? Double 3 is 6. Let's do it with a 4 then. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items there, and I'm going to double it. So showing me, we do this on the carpet, but it's a bit strange now that you're not all here. Show me on your fingers, if I'm going to double 4, how many pieces of pasta do I need to put out? You show me on your fingers. Is it 1? Is it 5? Is it 6? How many on your? I've got 4 sweets there. I'm going to double 4, so that means I need to put 4 things there. 4 things down. 4 pieces of pasta. 1 for that one. 1 for that one. 1 for that one. And 1 for that one. Double 4 has made double 4 is 8. We could do do that on our fingers. Show me 4 fingers. Now double it, so show me 4 on this side, the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 4, we know how many fingers that is. Double 4 is 8. Double 4 is 8. Last one now, because I'm going to challenge you to do this at home on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sweets there. I'm going to double it. So how many am I going to add on? I am going to add on 3. I've got 5 there, so now I'm going to add on 3 to double. Have I done something wrong? I've got 5 there. To double it, I'm going to add on 3. Oh, silly Mrs. Wildman. If I'm doubling, I must add the same number again. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. I'm going to have to use 5 pieces of pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know this without even having to count it because we know our number bonds to 10. 5, add 5, 5 and 5 equals 10. 5, add 5 equals 10. 5 and 5 equals 10. Double 5 makes 10. What I want you to do now is I've got my board up here. Let's see if I can just tilt you up. Sorry, guys. You can see here that I've got a board up here, and you're going to have some very similar number sentences on your sheet at home. Double 1 is, we've just worked this out, double 1, have 1, double it, it's 2. Double 1 is 2. Double 2, I could do 2 there. I could double it with a different, oh, that's a bit small. I could do 2 there, 1, 2, 1, 2. Gives me 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 2 is 4. Double 3, add 3 and I had 3 and I had 3. That was 6. Double 4, we did that one all together, was 8. And we know that double 5, 5 add 5 equals 10. On your sheet on Evidence Me, you have got something very similar to this, going from double 6 down to double 10. Double 6 down to double 10. And I would like you to fill that in. But you will notice there's an extra bit on your sheet that isn't on mine. And that says that you need to write the addition fact to go with it. So at the side of yours, you need to write the addition fact to go with it. Now, you already know, because we did it with our fingers, when we had 4 and 4, double 4, 4, 4, put it together, it's 8. We could write that as 4 add 4 equals 8. So when you do doubling, it's just like adding, but you add the same number each time. You add the same number each time. It's really hard to say, I'm sorry. We have 1. If I have 1 sweet, I double it. I could say 1 add 1 equals 2. 1 add 1 equals 2. And we all know this one. Double 2, 2. Add 2 is 4. 2 add 2 is 4. Now I'm not going to finish that off today because it's your job. So you've got a sheet on Evidence Me. You need to get your bits out and you need to do all of your doubles. We've already done to 5, but you need to do from double 6 to double 10. And you need to write the addition facts to go with it and try the problem solving question at the bottom. And tomorrow we're going to come back to this and stretch it on a bit further. Okay, I'll see you then. Bye bye.